broke ass eating?
What the fuck?
What you eating on?
Hey, Trey, come here, Trey. Let me tell I want my homeboy to meet you on real quick.
Oh, okay. What, he looking for a girl or something?
That's cool. He might like you.
Hey, what's up, little daddy?
Oh, hell no. Next. What's wrong with her? What you mean wrong with her?
What you mean? What it do, Bandrunnerz squad? What's up, you guys? It's your girl Shonda, and I'm back with another freaking video. As you can tell by the title, you guys, I am going on the monkey out, and I be telling everybody happy 4th of July. Cause they're my friends, you know what I'm saying? Y'all my friends, happy 4th of July to y'all. You know what I'm saying? But before we hop into the video, if you're new to the channel, please make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and turn your post notifications to be notified every time we post a freaking video. Okay? But today's post notification shout out goes to Pam Money and Pam to the motherfucking money. Go Pam. Go Pam. Thank you so much for all your love and support, and just know your comments do not go unrecognized. So y'all go check out Pam Money, you guys. Okay? Get into it. Oh, I'm cute. I just trying to start saying it. But yeah, y'all, we're gonna go here and troll on Monkey Out. What we do, looking cute like we do, you know what I'm saying? And let's get into the freaking video. We on the road to 30K, so I need y'all go hit that subscribe button, okay? All right, let's get into it. Happy 4th of July. Hey, what's up? Happy 4th to you.
Happy 4th to you too.
What you eating on? Damn, it's good? Oh, okay, we enjoy. Look alright. Woo! Damn, what your little broke ass doing?
Take them fake ass teeth out.
I said happy 4th of July to your broke ass. What you doing?
Big ass titties. What you doing?
I happy 4th of July.
Oh, happy 4th of July with your ugly ass. What you doing?
Who?
You know you're not ugly. Take them teeth out with your pretty ass.
What the fuck?
Don't be out here playing.
I'm ugly as fuck. Damn, what your little broke ass doing? Happy 4th to you? Yeah, happy 4th of July to you.
Oh, I thought you said, what your broke ass doing? I'm like, damn.
Yeah, I said happy 4th of July.
Oh, thank you.
Where'd you get that? Jaden.
Oh, you got that fake picture on. I was about
Jaden,
to say.
I just said happy 4th of July to you.
Huh?
Happy 4th.
Happy 4th.
Happy 4th, man. What you doing?
I'm celebrating.
Okay, well turn up then. Me too. Shit.
Yo.
Celebrate.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Damn. What your broke ass doing? Get out the car. What are you doing? No. No. Oh, no. Oh, no.
Let's get this shit.
Stop. What are you doing?
Ted, do y'all see what the fuck I see?
Happy 4th.
Well, what is that?
That's the 4th of July. You gonna pop firecrackers today?
Am I gonna pop firecrackers today?
Yeah, you gonna pop some fireworks?
That's till tomorrow.
No, it's the 4th today.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is.
Not where I am.
Well, where I'm at, today's the 4th.
Bruh, them your real teeth?
Yeah, what about them? What about them?
You got a husband?
What about him?
You got a husband? Yes or no?
What about him though, if I do got one?
Okay, I'm gonna tell you why. You got a husband?
What about him?
Oh, you do?
I'm not gonna bite you.
Oh, so you be biting his ass with him. could have got some dentures or something. Like,
You the one need veneers? Yeah, you need braces.
my teeth is straight as fuck.
You need some braces.
Your shit's poking out your mouth. Like,
And
like,
not.
you can't even, like, you can't even talk for real. So when you talk, them bitches be like this.
I'm talking to you.
Yeah, and your mouth, like, can you close your whole mouth without your teeth poking out?
What y'all broke ass doing?
So fat.
Real bad too. Hey, what's up? What you doing? What your broke ass got going on today?
I'm about to fix your braces.
Oh, you think really?
I ain't got all back in the minute.
Damn, what y'all little broke ass doing?
That's a girl from TikTok. She on TikTok.
Who? Where they at?
You and your mouth messed up. You need to go to the gym.
That's not me. Damn, get your ass out. You trying to smell my breath? Get your broke ass out the camera like that. Hey, cut that shit out with your broke ass. What you doing?
I see you on YouTube.
Who?
You.
Me?
She on YouTube. For real? Yes.
Me?
Yes. That's not your real teeth. That's fake.
I see his broke ass on TikTok.
Yeah. You show your broke ass on TikTok.
I see your broke ass on TikTok.
Yeah. You talking to
You.
me on YouTube.
You were doing that same broke ass shit when I seen you twirling your hair. Yep, that's him.
She be on YouTube, sir.
That's him.
That's not her real teeth.
You have a... Yeah, it's you. It's you. I ain't finna sit here and go back and forth with you. I know you.
She on YouTube. No, she ain't. Yes, she is, bro. You gotta be looking up. You're not on YouTube. Yes, she is on YouTube. Are you?
Yeah, I seen you on TikTok.
You don't see me on TikTok.
Yeah, you were still doing that same dumb ass shit, twirling your hair.
That's Skipper. No, bro, she be on YouTube.
He know it's him. He feeling some type of way.
On the floor?
Sean, what your little broke ugly ass doing today?
Dude, you got some big ass teeth.
Happy 4th of July to y'all.
Yeah, why your teeth so big?
Who? Let your bumblebee eye ass in the camera. You better not come back over here.
That's Sean. She know Sean.
She's not really sure. No.
Yeah. What's up, bro? What's up? Happy 4th of July to you.
What up, fam?
What's going on? What you got going on you? Huh?
Just chilling.
Say cheese.
Oh, you got jokes over there, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, him. Yeah.
You look like the wit lady, though.
Oh,
Who?
shit.
The wit lady.
A witch lady.
Yeah.
A witch.
Let me hair. You like a bit that do hair, though.
Now I just got my hair did for the 4th, baby.
Oh, I feel that.
Hell yeah, shit cute, ain't it?
Hey, what's your? I can't have your number.
No, you can't have my number.
Why you got a husband?
Yeah, sure do. I got 3 of them.
That's crazy.
You cook gobble gobble?
Gobble gobble, yeah. I got 3 husbands.
You gonna cook gobble gobble?
Man, get your goddamn cooling waters looking ass on some goddamn. Where you keep coming from?
That's Sean Woodard right here. I'm not Sean. He's Sean.
Oh, that's the one who trying to get my number last time.
Yeah.
Oh, that's the other boy.
No, that is him. Stop.
Sean, you gotta do it.
Yeah, that's him. He was trying to get my number last time.
Who's him?
Yeah, ask me for my IG. I ain't giving it to you now. I ain't give it to you last time. No, I know you.
Yeah, I know you, boy.
Yeah, you ain't getting my IG. Yeah, I ain't gonna give it to him. He ain't no good. Red flag, red flag. Red flag. You, red flag.
I'm gonna fuck my goodness shit.
You a red flag.
I fucked all these bitches last night.
Yeah, red flag. Red flag. You heard him. I fucked all these bitches last night. What y'all little broke ass doing? What y'all drinking that shit for?
You like that? Whoa, why you got them teeth like that? You look a donkey from Shrek.
Who?
You look like that? Like a squirrel.
Oh, you think you just really killing something over there, huh?
You look like somebody punched you in your mouth 100 times.
Oh, you killing it. Man, get your pockets. Get your pockets up, little buddy. Get your pockets, little buddy. Get your pockets up, little buddy. They can skip my ass. Damn. What your little broke ass doing?
What?
I said, what your little broke ass doing? Huh?
Get that big two-lip looking asshole swab on your goddamn. I'm in my ass on your goddamn. I shall kill you looking ass nigga.
Who? Who y'all talking about? Let me see.
What?
Let me see who y'all.
You nigga.
Who, me?
Yeah.
Oh, I think y'all talking about somebody else. That's why I keep trying to look to see who you was talking about.
You nigga.
Oh, why you say that about me?
Your goddamn teeth.
What about them?
They big as hell.
Okay, and what about them?
Look how you chewing that goddamn straw.
Damn, you scared me, friend. Dubai, man, what your broke ass doing?
You said what my book ass are?
Yeah, what your broke ass got going today?
You said what my book ass doing in the back?
Yeah.
Because today is July 4th.
I know, happy 4th of July to you.
So what you gonna do?
I'm finna get ready to go out there and pop me a barbecue, pop me a little fireworks, you know what I'm saying, put a little meat on the grill. What you doing?
Shit, it's still, I mean, I know it's still early, you know.
Yeah, I just got my hair did. Old girl hooked me up, you know what I'm saying? Finna just go out there and do the thing. Take me a few pictures, put them on IG.
So, I mean, I gotta do something like that?
That's what I'm saying. You know what I'm saying? I'm finna turn up. I just asked what your broke ass got going on. That's what my broke ass doing.
Oh, I'm finna get up, but you know, I'm just still in the bed for a little minute.
You like my hair? You think she did?
For the July, I've been working hard, man.
Yeah, you like my hair?
What?
You like my hair? I pay your girl $35.
Who? You?
Yeah, $35. She put the nice little bang, little twist. You like it?
Yeah.
Yeah. Well, I said, damn, I'm about to get hooked. I'm about to book her again.
Shit, where you at?
That's what I'm saying. Me? I'm in Houston, Texas.
Where you at?
Houston, Texas.
Shit.
Yeah, nice little dude. You know what I'm saying?
What you finna do for me?
I'm gonna do a damn thing for you. Look, what your broke ass doing? Yeah, you. Don't be looking at me like you got a little attitude, like you want to fight. Because, baby, I come through the screen anytime. Whatever you want to do. Don't ever look at me like that. So, what you doing? Luke? He gonna go home. That sound like a Teletubby. Food. Damn, what your broke ass doing? Why you hitting it like that? You gonna swallow the damn thing.
Why the fuck your teeth look like that?
Nah, why the fuck your teeth look like that?
Cause we took
You need, nah, you need to go get some Bandrunnerz. He hung up on me. Damn, John, what your broke ass doing?
Shit, Charlie, your teeth throwing up gang signs.
Who?
Your teeth?
Mine? You can't be talking about me. Nah, little buddy, you can't be talking about me with your little broke ass. John, you in jail?
Yeah.
Oh, what you do? Ooh, what your broke ass? Give me some. What your broke ass eating?
What the fuck?
What you eating on?
Hey, Trey, come here, Trey. Let me tell I want my homeboy to meet you on real quick.
Oh, okay. Well, he looking for a girl or something?
That's cool. He might like you.
Hey, what's up, little daddy?
Oh, hell no. Next. What's wrong with her? What you mean wrong with her?
What you mean?
God damn. What the fuck happened? Ain't nothing wrong.
Then I got my hair did and everything. It's the 4th of July. Happy 4th of July to you.
It's not happy 4th of July to you too, baby.
Yeah.
I'm saying it in a good way. See, you took it the wrong way.
Oh, okay. Yeah, you like it?
Where you from?
What you mean? I'm from New York.
Okay, New York.
Yeah, New York in the building. Hey, who that? Who that?
Who is what?
Hey, what's up, little daddy?
What's up, little daddy? You want me to go through?
Let me get one of them Reese's.
She wants you.
What's up with you?
I'm trying to get one of them Reese's out for you.
Trying to get one of the Reese's. Oh, that nigga said, dang.
Sharing is caring, man. Sharing is caring, man.
You is a fucking clown. You tripping, bro. You funny as hell. You funny.
Hey, but for real, can we see your real T though?
Yeah, stop playing, man. Okay, and she's straight, man.
Okay, I know that's right.
Bro,
I just got my hair did. You know what I'm saying?
we ain't worrying about that. We ain't worrying about that.
I'm Rick James.
That's all right. You know, we sweat that out anyway. What the hell happened? You see, I done put real diamonds in my shit.
Hell yeah, me too. Look.
Hey, Grant, look, she said me too. Okay, then. Yeah.
Shit.
Look at that, she poking on the side like, sure, you know how they be doing this.
Yeah.
Please.
Yeah.
You got, well, tell them to put my teeth on there, because it costs a lot of money. Put the glasses. Take them motherfuckers off.
What you mean?
Oh my, them some magnifying glasses, man. You can.
I'm trying to see your diamonds.
Bruh.
Yeah. Oh, baby, glistening. Hold on now. Damn, you know it's magnifying.
These some hard-working men over here. We don't play around.
That's what I'm saying, man. You blinding me because you know it's extra magnified with my glasses on.
Oh, yeah?
Oh, yeah. I can't even see no more.
You silly bitch.
Damn. Oh, yeah, I can't even see. Oh, damn.
You're crazy, man.
Damn, you done blinded, man.
Yeah, I'm blinded, huh?
Damn, what your little broke ass doing? Who? I know you just didn't say they didn't take out running.
No way.
What is you doing? Why is you playing like that? Cutting the lights on and off and on. What we?
Oh my God.
What is you doing? Bree, you okay? What is you doing? Friend. I can't stick around much longer. You tripping. Come back to the light. I think they know who I am. Is it me? My computer tripping. Hey, happy 4th of July. Happy 4th. Happy 4th of July to you. You good? You good? Happy 4th?
But I seen you on YouTube, bro.
I say happy 4th of July. You done switched up.
What July to you?
Okay. What you doing? Damn, friend, what your little broke ass doing?
Man, you done pretty.
I know.
Smile.
What you doing?
Smile for me, baby. Come on.
Happy 4th of July to you.
Yeah.
What you doing?
I'm chilling in my house, looking at this beauty right here with the most beautiful teeth I've ever seen in my life.
You say more?
Yeah. I'm in love.
You should be. People are shit.
Hey, when you trying to be friends?
I'm trying to be your friend. What's up?
I'm trying to be your friend, bro. What's good?
What you got going on?
What you got going on, Mr. Wannabe TikTok lady? Nigga, I know you is. Nigga.
I just thought you said we're gonna be friends. What the hell? What are you talking about? TikTok and all this shit and all this
Nigga,
Amazon and all this and
who said Amazon?
I don't know what we got going on. What you? Huh?
Huh?
You talking about? I don't even know.
How old you?
But I'm talking about eBay, Amazon and Starlight and Tweedledoo and all that. I don't know what the hell you talking about.
What's good though, bro? What's good?
No, I'm just trying to tell you Happy 4th of July.
Happy 4th of July.
That's all I was trying to get to. Damn, friend, what your broke ass got going on? Why you didn't call me back? Huh? You think you trying to be funny? That's not funny at all. That's not. I'm gonna take a picture of you. I'm gonna take a picture of your ass and put you on my IG. Yeah, I got it. Sure, right.
Why you gotta take a picture on that BS right there?
I just took a picture of you. Just took a picture of your ass. And I'm gonna take a picture of you too. Now, take a picture of your ass. Put your ass on my Instagram. Yeah, you going on IG. I don't care. Your broke ass is going on my IG.
No, you broke.
No, your broke ass, all y'all broke ass going on my IG.
Look at you for some shit.
Yeah, y'all broke ass going on my IG. Yeah, especially you, your Curious George looking ass.
Who is this?
Yeah, your Curious George ass
Baby,
going on.
you want some money?
Whatever.
Look.
Little buddy.
You gotta make a GoFundMe for those thieves.
Oh, you think you just killed that, huh? Big Walk Dog gang. Flex, what your broke ass got going on? Big Walk, I said, what your broke ass doing? Happy 4th of July to you.
Happy 4th of July to you too.
What you got going on?
Nothing, not a damn thing.
Big Walk Down gang. Big Walk Dog. Hey, that's what I'm talking about.
Them your real teeth.
Yeah, what's up? We good?
Them is not your real teeth.
These is mine. I'm not gonna argue with you about my teeth.
Pull them out.
How the hell I pull out something to grab my gums? Let's be real. Let's be real about that. Let me record this shit.
You like that when I was young too. I know they fake.
Baby, what you had ain't got nothing to do with me.
Zoom. Pull the camera close.
Pull what camera close? My phone is right here. I can't pull no camera close. What are you talking about?
How you on monkey?
What you mean how I'm on monkey? Shit. Talking to your ass.
Little fake teeth.
Nah, them fake teeth you got in your mouth.
Nah, these are real.
Nah, you gotta get some braces.
No.
Yeah, you gotta get you some Bandrunnerz or something, friend.
I know, cause my teeth at the bottom fucked up, but my teeth out here, they white though. My teeth's white though. I brush my teeth.
Shit, mine is too. I brush mine too. What the fuck?
You do not brush your fucking mouth.
Ooh.
And I know you ain't talking about no fucking braces.
Damn, Brian, what you doing?
Nothing.
What your Happy 4th of July to you?
Huh?
Happy 4th of July?
Thank you.
Yeah, what you got going on?
Why you got them fake teeth in your mouth?
Who?
You.
This me.
Yo.
Hell yeah, this me.
Take them fake teeth
Nah,
out.
this me, bud. This me. Ain't no argument. No. We gonna argue about that. This ain't up for debate, bud.
Take them damn teeth
Bud,
out.
this is not up for debate.
What's your fake teeth?
This is not up for debate. You ain't gonna tell me to grab my gums.
Do that.
You ain't gonna tell me to grab my gums, bud.
Pull on your teeth.
But I'm not gonna tell you again. I'm not gonna tell you. Okay, you guys, it's gonna put an end to my freaking video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Hope you stick around for the next one in this Bandrunnerz squad all day, every day. And I'm in, and now I'm out. Peace out, squad.